bubbles, crack, cash, plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Then the bubbles josh, crash, crash. Stop, pop, 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 up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Ricky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose, then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Plastic bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.
It's so much fun.
Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Then meets a giant candy where as yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels alright right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead the yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Tidy iron train. Wow. Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Here, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, wine went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey and the monkey then said, "Stop the dino shaking the train. Choo choo train, choo choo choo. Funny dino train. Quack quack quack. Hee-haw! 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda and the panda then said, "No more candy on the train." Riding on a train, sticky sticky train. Riding on a train. Choo choo. 2 little dinosaurs. Hee-haw! Little dinosaurs riding on a train. One pulled lever once again. Kitty called the bunny and the bunny then said, "Slow that crazy train right now. Fast fast train. Choo choo choo. Crazy crazy train." One little dinosaurs riding on a train. He sneezed loud and cracked the pane. Kitty called the bunny and the bunny then said, "Dino train is working well." Riding on a train. Choo choo go. Riding on a train. Choo choo go. Happy dinos steal the show. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm a cow got sick. Does moo, 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 weak. Moo, moo, slow. Something's wrong, oh no, no, no. Yes. E-I-E-I-O. What to do? Dr. Kitty is coming through. Yeah, cow goes slow. I feel so bad. Bubble tea, no energy, feeling sad. Wow, no jumping, no happy sound. Just lying quietly on the ground. Jay. Farmer shouts, "Help me, please." Cow says, "Moo, I need ease. Moo, moo, weak. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is sick and feeling low. Just siren sound. Dr. Kitty runs in view. "Don't worry, cow, I'm here today. I will chase the sickness away." She checks the ears, she checks the hoof. I see the proof. Healing job has just begun. Kitty job has just begun. Kitty says, "Open wide." Cow goes, "Moo, I tried." Moo boy. She gives a juice, rainbow bright. Cow drinks it in one bite. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cow starts feeling everything. Sip, sip, sip. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healing nice and slow. Look at it. Suddenly cow jumps flying. Wow, I feel like I can fly. Woo! Becomes loud and strong again. Farm is happy like a game. 3. Farmer laughs. "Thank you, Kitty. You are smart and super pretty." Moo, moo, strong. E-I-E-I-O. Cow is healthy, here we go. No damn good. No. All animals clap and cheer. Love a good. Dr. Kitty brings joy here. Cow is dancing, feeling fine. Sun is shining, farm is shining. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And Kitty saved it, don't you know? Moo moo happy, loud and free. Ghost from ever jiffy. Choo Kitty. Old MacDonald had a sick. Wow, Dr. Kitty saves the day. Old MacDonald had a farm. Oh, saw jungle night. Wow, moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. Ray, where are you? place to hide. Mr. C, Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you, see, in one big dash.
Hey!
Mr. D, Mr. D, where are you?
Oh no!
Here I am, peekaboo, hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you, D, found you at last. Mystery, mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding near elephant ear so bent. Got you, we do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding on a lily leaf. Got you, F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you, G, I saw it all. Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding in hippo water splash. When got you, H, in one fast dash. Say to H, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Kitty wins the alphabet playing key. Jungle now is never the same. Mr. I, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding in the bush so long. Got in near the jungle stone. Slithering under leafy dung. Got you, S, you're found instead. Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding under leaves so wide. Got you, G, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no!
peekaboo, swinging fast on jungle rope. Trap you and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle land. Jungle letters side by side. PD searching every tree. Fun adventure, wild and free. Mr. Q, G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, running in the bush so volleyball.